Guys, see how they look. Guys, I'm from the farm. You're harvesting some green pepper. Pepe. The village is looking super green because some are now weeding. You can tell from here is one of our farm. As a maize all the way. So humid, guys. You sell them. Three of them this way goes for 5 cents. You should have came now. Huh? Another one is here. You should have came. And I want. And this one has kept me going for some time. Sometimes I don't need to go for gym exercises. Hello, beautiful people. A very good morning from this part of the world. To be precise, Kenya, East Africa. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tende Marwa Vlogs. Yeah? In case you're wondering where I am, I'm back in the village, beautiful people. And it is early in the morning. It is around 6:40 something and heading to 7. And I woke up early, as usual, to come and do my daily routine. As you saw in my previous video, I took you along my backyard kitchen garden that I had left. But it had disappointed me because of the heavy downpour. But I decided to start all over again from square one, and also salvage what I could. Today it is a bit humid. It is so humid. I don't know if you can tell from my background, from those trees over there. It is so humid today, and the weather isn't looking all that good. So I want us to go and wind up doing whatever I've been doing in my backyard kitchen garden. I had taken you along in my previous video, shown you how bad it was looking. I decided to start from scratch and do what I can do, and what is irredeemable, I redeemed, but the rest, I'm starting all over again. And today, I'm going to wind up doing the weeding or cultivating the place, and also begin planting again. And before we do that, let me turn the camera and show you how humid this place is. We call it humidity. Right now, I don't think those people who are driving, they can clearly see because it's so humid, so cold and humid. Don't ask me why I'm not putting on something heavy. It's because I'm going to dig. While digging or doing it, it didn't feel that cold. Yeah, let me turn the camera and show you as we get into whatever we need to do. A humid morning here in Kenya, East Africa. You see how humid this place is right now. I don't know if you can picture. So cold right now. So humid, so smoky. I think that's what we were told in when we were in the high school learning about weather conditions. Yeah, we're talking about humidity. This is how it is looking. The village is looking super green because some are now weeding. Can tell from here is one of our farm. As a maize all the way. So humid, guys. One thing I love about the village, it is the greenish part of the village that I do love so most. So cool, so greenish. You can see how humid it is. Where are you watching from this morning? I want us to go and wind up whatever we were doing because I'm planning to travel again. Don't ask me where. I need to travel again, and before that I need to wind up weeding this place or prepare the land. At least you can tell I've fenced all the way to the other end. It isn't open like the previous video, as I told you. I've been working, guys. I've been working, and I will take you along once I'm done, so that we can assess beauty of the village. This is a guava season. You can tell here, guavas all over. Like yesterday, I ate a lot of guavas, guys. I took a lot of guavas. This is a guava season, and we have them all over. So this is my portion to the other end. You can see how it is looking right now. It's looking superb compared to the previous video. Now this is the remaining portion that I want to deal with. You can see how dirty it is. It has so much weight. Yeah, let me get into work, guys. Let me get into work and see you once I'm done. Yo, I don't know if I Lovely people, I'm about to be done. So there is a portion here I had thrown some or broadcasted some native veggies, so that's why you see me eating and leaving some portions. Where are you watching from, beautiful people? Keep on watching, comment, like and share. It's basically a typical African morning routine, village life morning routine. And someone will be like, oh, okay, you do go to the farm? Yes, I do, my friend. I love farming, and this one has kept me going for some time. Sometimes I don't need to go for gym exercises. This one is a perfect exercise. Good people. We are at home stretch. We're about to wind up. At least this portion wasn't all that dirty compared to the other part behind there. Guys, as you can see, I'm finally done, good people. From the other end, let me turn the camera and show you. I was reading from that part, the least part over there behind me. So I need to turn the camera and show you how my kitchen garden looks after weeding, and so that we can head home then. From that end over there, that's where I was weeding today, and this other end, for those who have been my longest subscribers, who can attest, here is my spring onion portion. It was looking so bushy, guys, yeah, because of the heavy rains that were raining here in the village. And this portion was the capsicum portion, and nothing came out. It was so bushy, so I decided to uproot and start all over again. The only thing that I harvested, or they harvested, is that this is coriander. At least coriander did me some justice. They have harvested the first harvest. I'm waiting for rain to rain a bit so that I can come and harvest. If my spinach were done justice, like weeding and being sprayed, it will be looking like this right now. But my goodness, you can see how it looks. And my curly kales also, because of the heavy rain, some were washed away. But regardless, I have some over here. And this portion was the sukuma wiki portion. Also here, it isn't about the rain. My nephews left the cows, the cattle and the goats. They jumped over the they crossed over here. There was no fence. The person I had instructed to help me out didn't do what I had instructed him. And here I have planted some more local veggies. This portion was for the carrots. You can tell here they are. These are the carrots that remained after the heavy downpour. They were swept down the drain, but I thank God I have something. I will still harvest some. Let me show you. I will still harvest some. All is not wasted. I still have some. And this portion belonged to the spider plant. And my mom told me if the spider plant doesn't do well with the heavy rain, so there was nothing here. It had been a stunted growth all the way to the other end. It was a portion for spider plant. But here, the last portion, here I had planted some cowpeas or kundes. They're here. At least they're doing well with the rains. But the rest of it, this is how it is, guys. This is how it is. This is how. Guys, you have seen whatever I'm talking about. It's time to go home. It is around 11 a.m. I'm finally done with weeding my kitchen garden. I had uprooted this by mistake. It's a cowpea, so I have to go with it at home so that we can at least mix it with the other veggies. I need to go and have breakfast, then I head to my uncle's place. Go and see whether I will get some seedlings. Yeah, that is kales seedlings. I had asked him to help me with some. This is typically African village life. Oh my goodness. Yeah. For those who have been missing my village vlogs, I'm back. but I will be doing them once in a while because I need also, I'm leaving the village very soon. Soon I'm leaving the village and to go and attend official duties. But wherever will be, I promise I'll make an effort of making a vlog. You can see how our banana garden is looking. It also needs to be weeded, you know. Told it has been raining for a while here. Thank you for your time, guys. See you once I get the kills. Hello guys, we are harvesting some green pepe. Wale wa pepe, mkulima halisi niko hapa. Who needs some? I'm going to sell them. Three of them this way goes for 5 cents. Shilingi 5 mwenye anahitaji hizi. Unacheka nini na ninaenda kuuza?
Hakivu na uzaga.
Na uzaga, you see how they look? Guys, I'm from the farm. For those who think that I don't do farming, I don't go to the farm. I know you haven't been watching my vlogs. But come see. Sugar cane. Nadhani na pozingi hiyo bure. Inamisha waone sugar cane. It is everything. Sugar cane now. Another one is here. This is sugar cane. And I want to plant more. Why? Hebu tuende kuchuma pilipili tukauze.